So many people, when we think brand, we hear the word empathy. It's a buzzword that everybody has heard, but I think a lot of us struggle to understand exactly what empathy is. How do you define empathy?
To distinguish empathy, we need to look at what is apathy and what is sympathy. So, apathy is really about being concerned about our own wants, needs, desires, values, goals, etc. And there seems to be a common kind of understanding that if I have my vision, mission, values that appeal to me sorted, that's going to then help me succeed in life. But if you really pause and think, do your customers care about your values or do they care about their values? And if you, as a supplier of a product or service, are focused on your customers' values and what they care about, then chances are they want to do business with you. So, apathy in this context is being more focused about your values and your vision and your mission and your passions and your desires as a supplier, where the customer really doesn't care. Sympathy is about getting aligned to the suffering of other people. And there are two kinds of people who operate from sympathy. One are people who want to ride the wave of sympathy and start posting all kinds of things on social media and talking about a cause because they want to earn some brownie points, and their brand is based on that kind of sympathy. And it doesn't do any great things. It's just like, they get their 2 minutes to talk about something, to get onto the soapbox and proclaim their support and solidarity with what's happening. And the other kind of people who operate from real sympathy are people who go and do things to support people when they are in trouble without wanting to show to the world that they went out and did things for people. Now, those people operate from the space called empathy. Empathy is really caring about other people. Empathy is about providing to other people what they want and need. And if you really look at the physics of this equation, if you care for and provide what your customers want and need, they will want to do business with you and your business will start to grow. So, empathy is about caring for other people. Apathy is about caring for yourself. And sympathy, largely put today, is about shouting from the treetops about things that happen to other people so that you show up in life as a good person. But, it's an empty kind of a pursuit. It doesn't do anything great for your personal brand.